Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to another province house rebuild update. So I am very excited to share this video today. That's because it has been 1 week the last time that I was here and the last time that I saw the house and what was the latest update. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys inside. How does it look? We have a lot of progress, I would say, since the last video. That's because Tom and I actually traveled to Mindanao to attend Vingol's engagement and birthday party as well. So that was really nice. We were there for around 4 to 5 days, I believe. If you guys haven't watched that video, you can go to Tom and Meljean YouTube channel. As soon as we docked here in Cebu, I was already thinking to visit the house and see how the progress is looking. Though my sister and my mom has been giving me pictures, what has been done and whatnot, but I really wanted to, see it in person because it's different when you see it in person. All right, so let me take you guys here inside. So the last time was, I've shared with you that we've already put the windows. So we do have sliding windows for the province house, and also the door as well has been installed. So that's very good. One of the progress here in the door, by the way, is that, as you guys can see, it already has the wood stain. So they were able to put varnish into the door, though they were not able to put the lock yet because we had to get a hole saw drill bit. I think that's the right term. So we got that yesterday, and the main builder is not here today. He's attending something, so maybe by tomorrow he can install the lock for the door so that we could already lock the house. Anyway, as soon as you step in over here, you guys will be able to see the biggest progress as well. We've already put the tiles here in the living area extension. So by the way, Scarlett is here. Say hi. She's eating some chicken. All right, so this is the current update, the latest update that we have here. So as you guys can see, we already have the tiles in the living area extension. So that's how it looks. It looks exactly the same as the previous tiles that I got. Of course, I had to make it the same so that it would look nice. Aside from the living area, over here in the second bedroom as well, so it is over here, they were also able to put the tiles. So that's how the tiles is looking. As you guys can see, it looks really nice now here in this area, by the way, and that's because the tiles is very brand new, so it looks really polished, and yeah, it just looks very clean. Here in the second bedroom as well, they have started working on the skim coating. So if you guys can take a look here on the side, we have first skim coating, I believe, and then we have someone working on over here that's doing the skim coating for the second bedroom. So the ceiling of the second bedroom is already done. I think I have shared that to you guys on the last video, but yeah, that is how it looks. At the same time, over here, this is how the door of the second bedroom looks like. So it's the same as my bedroom as well. So that's how it looks. I love the wood stain that we actually got. This is walnut, if some of you would like to ask what's the varnish that I decided to choose. But yeah, that's how it is, and though there's no lock still, but that's okay. I'm gonna take you guys here in my own bedroom. So this is my bedroom, everyone, and as you can see, it's exactly the same door with the second bedroom as well. So the wood is looking like that. I love the color, it's very natural. And my main bedroom is actually done. It has been finished. It is very white and bright here in my bedroom already, so it has been done. We could already start moving in. That's because this is functional now, though I don't have my bed frame yet. But if you guys can take a look over here on the bottom, you guys will see we have here the bed foam, because my sister and fam has been sleeping here because this area has been fully done. So as you can see, it's very white, and you guys know I love it like that. The color is very clean, and I just love how, I don't know, it looks really peaceful, and yeah, I just love the classic white color of the house. I'm really excited to actually move in already. So this is my window. As you guys can see, we finally have the sliding window, and if I am going to open it, it actually is very fresh and airy, and I totally love it, especially the wind is actually coming this way, so that's really good. That's the reason why I was thinking that the window for the second bedroom should have been like mine, like in this area, because the wind is blowing like that. I was not able to really show you guys last time how do you lock the window, but you just lock it like that and it's not gonna open anymore. So yeah, this is how it looks. I love it. Okay, so right now we are here in my living area as well. So I'm gonna show you guys how my kitchen is looking. So this is how it looks. Actually, all of the workers are currently working on the skim coating of the house, and that's because there's nothing else to work on anymore. It's just the skim coating and the painting here inside of the house. So this is how my countertop is looking, everybody. I love how he put the tiles here in this area as well, so that adds a good touch of the countertops. By the way, I know a lot of you has been commenting on that video that I have posted last time, that the tiles is upside down. I know. Okay, so we are going to take a look here in this area. I think I have received a lot of comments about this tile over here. I've received messages in my Facebook page, in email as well, business email, sharing your thoughts about the tiles is upside down and it's not correct and whatnot. So you guys are very keen when it comes to that. Like me, myself, I couldn't even spot it, to be honest. But I know that this one is upside down. It should have been like that. Thank you for actually saying that. If you actually see it in person, you couldn't really spot it that much, I would say, because the pattern is just the same. Thank you though for sharing your thoughts about it. I know you guys want the best for me, and I truly deeply appreciate that. But you know, my house is perfectly imperfect. I'm quite okay with how it looks. You couldn't really spot it, to be honest, so I'm just fine with it. That's okay. That's the style. Let's just put it that way. But yeah, anyway, as you guys can see, this tile is what I super love, because I don't know, this tile is like looking marble, but not the white marble, faux marble. But yeah, that's how it looks, and I totally love it. Here in this area, it has been really done actually. We also have here my sink. It has been installed as well. All we have to install is actually the faucet, so that we can have running water here as well. So as you guys can see, we have here the window. I was not able to share this window with you guys last time because they were still working on it, and I had to leave because we had to go to Mindanao. But yeah, that's how it looks. We had to put this tape over here because the workers sometimes were thinking that it's not a window, it's just nothing in there, and they banged themselves into that. So they had to put an X to make sure that it's actually a window. The height of my countertop, I know some of you are saying it looks short and it looks higher, especially if I already put my cooktop here. But I think it looks totally fine. I think this is the standard height for the countertop, so it's just here. Yeah, it should be fine. I can still see the pan whenever I'm cooking. So we have a lot of storage here at the bottom, so that's really good. I'm still thinking if what are we gonna put here in the side and such. Okay, so this area here, this is like the service area. We have a plug right here, and I was actually thinking of putting some storage in this area or put the washing machine over here. But right now they are working on the skim coating. Actually, it looks really fine right now. It looks really polished, so that's nice. How much more if we are going to like paint it? But anyway, I'm gonna take you here inside my dirty, very messy toilet bathroom area. This is how it looks. If you guys can take a look over there, we already have the sliding window. These are small ones, so we have two, so that ventilation will be good here in my bathroom area. I'm not gonna talk so much about, you know, the bathroom area because it's totally It is such a mess and we have a lot of things to clean. But if we are going to look up, you guys can see that we already have the ceiling as well here in the bathroom. And here on the right hand side, that is a manhole. I actually requested my uncle to put a manhole over here so that whenever we will have some problems in the ceiling or whatnot, then someone could go up in there and see what's going on. Maybe if we have problems with the wiring, hopefully not, but at least we could access the ceiling area. I know we could make it as a storage as well. A lot of you have suggested about making it a storage, but it looks really high for me to actually put a storage there. Maybe soon when we have a lot of stuff, but right now I'm still okay. I don't have a lot of things here in the house anyway, so I'm quite okay with that. We are here in the outside because the last time that I was here, I wasn't really able to show you guys around the house with the windows on. So we're gonna start here. As you guys can see, this is how the window here in the front, I mean in the side of the house fronting my mom's store. So that's how it looks. Actually, it looks really nice. I know some of you have asked if there is a mosquito net, I think that's what you call it, here, so that I could just open it widely. The mosquitoes or the flies, whatever, and insects would not come in the house. But actually, as you guys can see, there's nothing for now. Maybe I'll consider it next time, but I feel like it's not gonna look nice. If we are going to put that net, we'll see if we can find a good one, maybe color black, so that it would complement with the window that we have. And one also commented if we have the grill here. I am still thinking about it if I should put the last grill that I have in my previous window with the previous province house. I'm not sure if it will fit. It feels like this window that I have right now looks bigger than what it was before, but we shall see if we can make use of it, because that grill actually looks really fine still. All we had to do is to repaint it with black, then it should be fine. But like right now, I'm quite okay with having this window for now. But of course, I know some of you want extra security for me once you move in here, so we shall see. I might consider it next time. Yeah, we're gonna take a look here. This is the second window. This is in the kitchen area as well. Okay, so now we are here in the $1 million view. That's how it looks. As you guys can see, it looks really messy here. We have all of this stuff, but obviously we have to remove all of those once we build the little terrace that I'll be having here in this area. But here, this is the window that we have in the kitchen area. This window, I can open it so that the house won't smell, especially if I'm going to cook dried fish or whatnot. Or maybe I actually need to have like an outdoor cooking for my dried fish, because it's gonna smell, like the entire house is gonna smell. But that's how it looks. I know on the upper side of it is not being polished yet. There is no plastering or rendering, but of course we are going to work on that. Okay, so we are gonna go here in this area here at the back, because I've not really shown this to you guys as well. The little window that you guys can see, that is the window in the bathroom area. So this has been rendered. That's how it looks. And then this area here at the back, as you guys can see, it has not been rendered. You guys will see the second window in the bathroom, the small one. And then here, this is my air condition. So that's how it looks. Of course, we have to put grill as well in my air condition. My uncle was telling me we have to do it because some people might be interested in getting my air condition. Who knows, you know. This is how my sliding window in the bedroom. So yeah, This is still a lot of work. I don't know, like 1 week before this rendering will be finished, because he is just alone working on the rendering of the house, because the other guys are just working on the skim coating and for the painting of the house as well. So it's still gonna take some time, but I really told them to prioritize the inside so that the inside will be finished by then. Even though the outside is not finished, we can already move in. Okay, so this is the other window here in front of the house. This is where the second bedroom is, so that's how it looks. I was thinking to place this one on the other side because the wind is blowing that way, but I think it should be fine. There's still some air in this area, so they should be well ventilated. But anyway, here in the countryside, it gets really cold at night anyway, so you don't really need air conditioning. We have little Scarlets again. Hello. This is how it looks on the other side. This is in the living area as well. Yeah, they actually did a good installation of my sliding window, I would say. So I'm quite happy with their service and with the material that they use. It's quite thick, so that's good. Alright guys, so right now we are here in front of the house, and that is pretty much it for my little update here in the province house. So my bedroom is totally done now, so we could already start moving in. I just really want to make sure that my bathroom will be functional and my kitchen as well, so that, you know, we could live here already. But yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it. I am very happy and excited that we are moving forward. There is a good progress for the province house, and I cannot wait for this to be finished. I know you guys are very excited for me as well. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey, for being here. We are almost there, guys. I cannot wait to share with you our moving in vlog, our life here, our you know, province house tour. I cannot wait for that to share to all of you. Thank you guys again. I hope you enjoyed this little video of mine, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Everything is meljeansolon. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!